create the helper function. First of all, constant handle source. And this auto detector is too much problem for me now. I am going to disable now. Okay, event order prevent default, and then update route. Let's make one update route method also. Constant update route. Accept new params upcoming, otherwise empty. Then constant params is not show filter source. We need for page, we need sort, we need direction, we need, then page we need, and then new param is coming in the safety structure. And then let's route, no, router dot get, inertia router dot get, route name, comma, params resolve state true resolve. Here is a spelling Mr. PRSCRPE. okay, then router is not imported. Oh, import use state, import router and use page. What happened this? Okay, router let's start React source handle. Let's see, now two functions are done. Okay, let's create first of all table. This class name is overflow. Done. And then rounded edge, border, shadow, everything is fine. Then create a table, close table. After that create head, t head, then tr class name is equals to bg gray 50, then table columns dot table columns, wait, not coming, table columns, list. First of all, constant table columns equals to destructure columns. Okay, and here if can edit and delete resource, then we need to table columns dot push key one actions, label actions, type custom, then sortable false, render dot render action. Okay, let's make render actions. Constant render action, it will be accept items, then go there, it will be return div like class flex space x2. Okay, then let's reset the if can view, edit, and resource. If view details, if edit, if delete, and also check here if view also show the action. Let's one interface table column, Okay, here is interface, then try columns. Now let's create this section, columns mapping, right? Okay, table columns dot map column. Let's return table height and this one. Okay, arrow up, arrow down, and handle source also. Let's create method constraint. Here is handle source column, taking, then starting constant, new direction source. The new direction source is equal column, direction is ascending, otherwise descending. This one logic you can stick, and set then source is a column, then set direction also, new direction, then update route. Right, we have already made these functions. There is a send source column direction and a new direction as a new direction. After that column is fixed, let's create a body. Okay, table head is finished. Now we are going over the table body. Okay, we have here getting a data. Under data is length is greater than 0, data map is index, then render cell column here. Okay, what type of column is, then any type of index, then row is str have columns, how many columns, then we have each column have rendering item id as a key is item id, then column is a item id and the column key, then render cell item column and index ending. And this is a, if data length is less than, we have to show there is a no record. Okay, like no found, try even later. This is a language translation I am using. You can use also if this translation language. I will make another videos. Okay, let's make render func methods. Constant handle for page. Oh, let's render cell first of all. Okay, render cell function taking a item is a data, any model data, or you can define separately, then column index is a number. Okay, then if not column dot key return direct null. Okay, then constant get value functions to object and path, then making inner function return this as a path dot split dot reduce acc dot part equals to acc and acc part comma object. Okay, I think type we have to define. Let's define any object and part. Okay, then also define any, because TypeScript is strictly restricted this one, that's why. And this one value get value with key column key. Okay, sending the any oh, not here, mistake is this here. Okay, then if column type we are checking now, if column type is date, then we have to format it for date, and value also have, then we have to returning format date. Okay, format date. Let's create format date function. I am creating two type of date format function. One is this year, month, date. Another is this one. Okay, then another is for date 2. Okay, this is for date 2 format. If coming is type is equal to date 2. Later we have to change here type for each field. Okay, let's create it 8 here. Okay, let's create it add function. Here is date, then we have to type is equals to, we will send date. Okay, then it will be sortable true. Fine. Date 1 or 2, same like if there is any starter section badges, you have to send as a badge value, and according to your requirement you have to use. Like image have, you have to image is rectangle size. If you need in the circle size of image, you have to define your column, what type of column you need. Then circle, if you not have, you have to use placeholder, this one. Okay, if type image and design is rectangle, you have to use, you send type design from the while defining here. Okay, what type of column you need. After that, if there is a boolean type of function s no, you have to use s no boolean. If s, okay, if no, okay. Same if custom, there is automatically render like index column custom type coming, it will be the custom. Or if you have a render as index column, you have to use this index, and by default you need to return value. Okay, then table is almost finished. Now let's going to the pagination after the table. Okay, let's use showing date from 2, date from this one of results. This is we are going to create pagination. Okay, pagination sections here, and then render sab run left string primary integer number and the any. Okay, this is a pagination showing for this one. Left side showing how many data. Then you have to create a button, flex item center button, previous page URL is the previous. If data links, then data links dot map link and index. Then if link label includes the previous and the next, you have to return null. Page number is the integer label, is not have included, you have to index. Column name dot 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 dot, then this fine, and then return value button index dot index column. You have to pause here and copy this, and click out visit page number, then this one after final button save run right, and then data next visit, and this one. Okay, anything else? Okay, let's see the import first of all from the index table. Okay, let's py6, then mx is auto, dot mx auto, let's data table import from data table, and close this one. Let's send here all required fields. Data is users, right? Then columns we need send, then resource name is users, then route name is like users dot index, then filters is filter, then if can create resource, you can check from backend. I am now direct sending true. Okay, create also true, then can edit resource, I'm sending also true, then can delete resource, also true, create delete Same another for view. What is this view logic? Can view, right? Okay, can view also. True. Then can delete resource. Wait. View route, edit route, and delete route. On delete from here, right? Then let's see icon is user check from this chart. Then create route equals to users dot create edit route, edit delete, and delete also on delete equals to handle delete. Let's create one handle delete method, constant handle delete. User destroy. Let's import router from Inertia. Oh, finally. Let's see the output final. Wow, nice. Handle port change is not defined. Okay, we are forget here any type of. Okay, let's see what is the wow. Okay, okay, only column coming here. Issue why? Because we are not here is let create, and tables column is assigned columns, right? So that's the main issue here. I think now is boom, column level, column level, column level. There is something missing. Where is this missing? In the table body. Okay, let's go table body and see. Okay, render cells. No. Here is heading is missing, table head. Okay, because of this one, not a wrap here. So now boom, 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 boom. What is unexpected token level? Oh, not here. There is column label. Okay, there is direct working email detection name. Okay, here is ID is missing. Now its table is fine. If you see rendering, wow, pagination working, and then ascending, descending, ascending, descending, ascending, descending. Two emails are using date format, two action, view, delete. Okay, source like admin, source admin. See, okay. Let's one more thing is delete. One more thing is delete dialog. Okay, let's create first of all delete dialog component. Go component create delete dialog tsx. Check. Okay. Okay, this is a delete dialog. You have export default delete dialog is open, unclose, confirm, title you have to send, and this one actions, message, confirm button, and cancel button, and create this div center rounded button, title, message, deflex, and close, and this option, and come here and input delete dialog and send branch. Let's see this one, So delete dialog, come here, open, wow, confirm delete, this action can undone. Oh, destroy method is not exist. Let's solve this nan function. Why is nan is coming? Index column, we are going here, index column type is page -1 per page. So filters page index column, right? Let's see type is index column is defined or not. Render column, boolean index column and render already have. Console log, here is coming item or not. Let's see the inspect console. Let's fix this error later. Here is column coming. Well, that means here is coming. Let's see the render function, callback function. Where is this? Yes, console log. First of all, filters is equal to filters index and then check. Filter source is null for page is equals to 10. Oh, that's the mistake, is a page is string. Page. Let's say the page is string. I'm making this is integer, okay? Not working. Coming. Then what the going on? Filters per page. It's fine. Index follows per page. What? Console log filters page, comma filters per page. Filters per page is undefined. That means filters. Oh, this per page. You see variable mistakes here. Per page. Okay, now is fine. See? Okay, now is fine. This is the table. So if I delete, okay, destroy method is calling. Let's do create destroy methods later. Thank you.